Hi, Pauric here at Mc Nally Motors. Today I want to show you around our 2019 Toyota CHR. This is the hybrid sport model. It's finished in a metal stream metallic paint. The car's low annual road tax, which is €180, and is taxed up until September 2021. The car is sold at the balanced manufacturer's warranty. It's got a full Toyota service history and is entity exempt up until 2023. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It is the front fog lights as standard. It's got the 17-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloy wheels with excellent tyres all around. It's got a chrome pack fitted, as you can see. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got a nice sized spacious boot. Very clean also. Plenty of legroom in the back. Got the eyes off fixed for the car seats on both sides also. It's got an upgraded interior with the cream and brown leather. Centre armrest also. Electric windows and mirrors. Push button start. Automatic headlights. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in phone controls, radio controls and cruise control. Touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the dual air conditioning. Heated front seats. Automatic handbrake with the hill start assist. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox with the reversing camera built in. And there's 27,422 kilometers on the clock. This CHR would make an ideal sized family car, and at Mc Nally Motors we can offer a wide range of finance options from €90 per week. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit the website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car. You can also book a test drive. Thanks very much.